with Judge Ross. We're back with the case of co-plaintiffs Stephen and Lynn Nix, who are suing Clarissa Brockwell over a deposit for an apartment unit in New York City.
So you were aware that you were giving up monies just for the opportunity to start paying rent. You knew that.
Yes, but it was supposed to reserve the apartment for us. Nobody else would be allowed to be moved in. We get there, the day we're allowed to move in, we have all of our stuff on the street with our moving trucks. We walk in, we go to the superintendent and ask him for the keys. He looks at us like we're crazy.
Yeah, those were really ridiculously embarrassing. She didn't even tell us any about this, like someone even moved in. She didn't have the...
What do you mean someone
How would
moved in?
I know
He told us somebody else had moved in literally the day before.
I thought
Okay,
you
wait,
were moving.
stop.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
So the apartment was open,
Yes,
and then someone else beat you all to it.
Yeah,
had moved in.
and it was her job to let them
I
know.
talked to the superintendent. He allowed us to go up and talk to the tenants of the place, and they said, showed us their lease agreement. It looked completely different than ours. Gave us the number of the lease holder. We called them. They had no idea who Clarissa was.
They deal with all kinds of people, Your Honor. I talk to them all the time.
How come they didn't
I
know
called
you
the lease holder. They had no idea
leasing
who she
agents
was.
every day.
Stop, Florida.
So sorry.
Stop.
Beg your
Had
pardon.
no idea who she was.
So what? So the deal fell through because of what?
I got ripped off, Your Honor. This woman who represented herself to me, she called me. It was really quick. She says, you have to come down here now if you want to bid for some clients. This place is going to go fast. I rushed down there. I mean, I hauled all the way down there.
So
I checked
Daniela,
her credentials. I thought she sounded legitimate. I truly did. I mean, I got most gullible in high school, so I'm a little sensitive to this kind of issue. And it happened to me before, back in 2001. I got ripped off, same thing. I really, truly thought that I was over all this.
Probably got the idea from it.
That's
My
how you
husband's
feel.
I'm
right.
so
I've
not.
heard nothing but nightmare
Look at me,
stories
Your
from
Honor.
this
I'm
woman.
a nice
because
Southern
you
girl
got
with
ripped
integrity.
off, why wouldn't you reimburse them for the monies and then go after this woman Danielle?
Exactly.
I didn't have the monies. I mean, I don't have the $5,000. All I had was.
You don't
And
have
Your Honor,
$5,000?
I spent so
Where's
much
the
money.
$1,000 that's
Stop.
supposed to go to?
Stop. I've heard enough. Based on the evidence and the testimony before this court, the gavel is going to come down in favor of the plaintiffs, the Nixons. You owe them that money. That Danielle screwed you over. You go pursue her. You sue her. You bring her back here, and then we'll have a conversation. Judgment in favor of the plaintiffs. Case closed.
Judge Ross has ruled in favor of the co-plaintiffs. The defendant is ordered to pay $5,000.
I got ripped off. Now I got ripped off twice. No good deed goes unpunished.
The woman was a scam artist. We got our money, and that's what I'm happy about.
And coming up,
Did you